Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has classified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.9. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 33.85%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.03% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -54% to -6%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected decline of about 21%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -29% to +52% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price range between $210.71 and $456.73. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price down 0.279% on Wednesday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 0.279% on the last day, Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, from $301.22 to $300.38. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.48%, with a day low at $300.20 and a day high of $307.64. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.59% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, and in total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $630.73, and the lowest price was $248.88. Currently, the price is 52.38%, or $330.35, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, trading at $300.38, has recently experienced a decline in its stock price by 0.28%, a movement that contrasts with a generally improving market. This drop follows serious allegations regarding undisclosed payments to nursing homes, reportedly intended to reduce hospital transfers amidst an already escalating securities fraud class action lawsuit. The company's challenges are exacerbated by the abrupt departure of its chief executive officer and ongoing criminal and civil investigations, collectively posing significant risks that could further pressure share prices. Adding to the concerns, AM Best has adjusted its outlook for UnitedHealth's financial strength to negative from stable, emphasizing the company's difficulties in maintaining its credibility. In terms of corporate governance, the board has re-elected all directors and approved an increase in the quarterly dividend from $2.10 to $2.21 per share. While this decision may appease some investors seeking steady returns, it may not be enough to offset the ongoing legal troubles and increasing scrutiny. In the short term, these developments could lead to increased volatility as investors respond to the adverse news. The long-term implications will largely depend on how effectively the new management addresses compliance issues and restores investor confidence. If the company can successfully navigate these challenges, there may be potential for recovery. However, continued missteps could further undermine its asset value. Therefore, investors should remain vigilant as UnitedHealth faces this tumultuous chapter. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UnitedHealth a reduced grade, along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, it was recorded that Wolfe Research assigned UnitedHealth an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UnitedHealth a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UnitedHealth an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UnitedHealth a market perform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the stock of UnitedHealth Group. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 9.49%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence near-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $369.73. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $299.93. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal, strengthening the overall outlook. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $296.67. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.44 between its high and low, equating to 2.48%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.94%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a possible buying opportunity. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $5.30. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $296.67. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, John F. Rex executed an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley also conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen J. Hemsley made an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is a right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn executed an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 86.201. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $2.36, beginning trading at $302.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.